Hi to everyone at Criw Celf. My name's Naz. I'm an artist working in the community, developing a project at the moment called Lost Connections, and I'm really excited that you're going to be a part of it. I'd love to see what you create and your story, so sharing images and artwork to do with your hands and things going on at the moment, and a story. So there's a questionnaire in your pack which helps you answer those questions. Once you do that, that'll form a blog. You can see other examples on the website lostconnectionsart.co.uk, and there's also our social media channels and a Pinterest page with Zebra Creative UK that you can have a look at lots of ideas from other wonderful artists to inspire you. You can use any media at all. It could be mixed media, could be collage, could be paints, could be inks, could be textiles, anything goes, fashion, whatever you'd like to create, an installation or photography, using nature outside or something in your home. I really look forward to seeing what you create. Use your imagination and your ideas, and just be as creative as possible with this. Check out the Lost Connections videos. We also have one explaining about the project and showing lots of people's artwork and inspiration, and then the other one, you'll follow me and create with me on Art Clwb, and you can see a lot of my ideas around the project and the type of artwork that I've created so far for the project. So get involved, get in touch if you need anything, and share your artwork and story.